man. I'm sick of this shop, man. I need to get up out of here real quick. You know what I'm saying? I don't even like... What the heck is a Vacaville, California? I'm getting out of here, man.
Okay, what you doing? What's going on?
Man, what you mean where I'm going, man? Listen, I'm tired. I'm tired of being here. I'm tired of being in the shop. Listen, I'm in the shop every day. Grinded. You know what I'm saying? First one in, last one out. The booth rent is more than my mortgage. I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying? We in Vacaville. What the heck is a Vacaville, California? I'm not doing this. I'm going to LA. Okay, I'm going to the Rich Barber. Alright? That's where I'm going. That shop is way more lit. It looks better. I'm done. I'm not doing it with you. I'm not... Look at you. You got me dropping my bags and stuff. Their stuff don't want to be here either. I'm done, okay? I will see you at the next shop. You will see me on social media. Bye. Bye. Get out of here. I don't care. I never needed you anyway. Your little low cuts, average anyway. Mid, bro. Your cuts is all the way trash. Your tapers, fades, mohawks, anything you did ever, okay, was trash, okay? I was only using you for the money anyway. You could leave. Rich Barber.
Alright, you guys, so first things first, what you want to do is pin the hair up top. I'm not going to be cutting anything off the top. I'm just going to be working on the sides. So I'm using my duck clips to pin the hair up on both sides. So I'm gonna mist the sides a bit with my spray bottle, just to get it wet enough for it to lay down. All right, so I'm gonna comb it down, just so I could clip or over comb the top. So now that I have the bulk cleared out, I'm gonna set in my bald line using my Babyliss FX trimmers, and I'm gonna set it in just around my client's ear. I still want some of that C cup, so I'm not gonna, cut off any of that area. I'm basically just doing a burst fade, sort of a mohawk type of look. Next, using my Unos, I'm basically gonna make the bottom half razor bald. Using my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep that same width all the way around. So same thing with the one guard with the lever fully open. I'm going up about a ½ inch, using my comb to feed the hair into the teeth of the blade, and just making sure I keep that width all the way around. Putting on the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm just knocking off some of that bulk that's at the top, making sure that the 1 guard blends into the bulk that's up top. Now working my way back down, putting back on the 1 guard, but this time with the lever fully closed, I'm softening up that middle line. Now that the middle line is softened up, it's a lot easier for you to take it out with the next step, which is the 0 guard with the lever fully closed. I'm going below the line, flicking to the line, and you want to make sure you develop a flick out motion. All right, this is the flick out motion that I use. It's kind of like a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and I'm using my corners the entire time. So in the case that the zero guard close doesn't take out everything, what you want to do is come behind it with the lever open and just kind of detail that area. Next, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember, start below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to adjust your lever as you go up. So as far as the back goes, I'm gonna take it down the same length that I had the bulk that's on the top on the other side, all right, which is a 2 guard with the lever open. So I'm just gonna take off all of the bulk so it can look proportioned to the bulk that's on the sides. So I'm gonna start by lining the back of the neck. So I'm just gonna basically line it in a V-like shape that my client wants. So I always like to take down the front lineup to a 1.5, all right, which is a 1 guard with the lever open. I'm just going with the grain, making sure that I don't take any other hair off at the top, holding it with my comb. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
You too. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, Links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.